Hello everybody. In this small tutorial I want to show you a couple of little graphic problems that we have with Revit and interior elevation. First of all, let me create one elevation and let me show you. Let's set it at a 1/4 inch scale. Make sure this type is an interior, and let me zoom in. Basically, right now I just created one elevation, right, and it snaps to the edges and to the floor and to the ceiling. So for every elevation that you create, Revit creates snaps automatically to the boundaries, left and right and top and bottom. Okay, so it's as simple as that, and which is actually pretty wonderful feature. So I just created 4 elevations, and they show up here in my interior elevation item. I'm gonna go to my sheet and place them now, and we're gonna become aware of the problems that Revit is giving us. So A is the north elevation, B, C, and so on and so forth. So let's look at what's going on here. First of all, you see that Revit, yes, it does snap automatically to the ceiling, the floor, and the left and right wall of the interior elevation. However, he snaps to the bottom of the slab instead of the top for some reason that I can't fathom. Therefore, we must take the edge of the interior elevation at the view and snap it to the top of the slab, which is finished floor, basically. The second problem is that Revit does not show line weights at this point. This means that I do not see the line weight of the floor, walls and ceiling. In order to see that, we need to pull away the edges of the view, and you can see the dramatic difference. Let's do this for the ceiling as well. Instead of snapping to the ceiling, I just pull away a little bit, and you can see the actual line weight per object style. Okay, in this case section, because these are section. So in order to have a correct line weight display, we need to glaze, we need to move the view boundaries exactly to the exterior of the line weight, graphic line weights. So set up your scale first and then do this, because that line weights is relative to the scale of your view. So unfortunately, for every elevation you create, you need to do this kind of work. You need to go in, activate it, select the boundary of the view, and basically do this. Now, I'm not sure why they've chosen to leave this behavior. It's pretty obvious to me that that is a glitch, because look at that. You snap even the top of the ceiling and both lines get reduced in line weight. So it's not just a matter of the line right under the view boundary, but it's a matter of some graphic glitch. So you want to zoom in and once again just go to the outside of the line weight. Okay, for glazing such as this one, what I normally do is I do the inside line of the glass, which is a little bit less thick, which is okay, and then you see the thickness. You do that, and then that's the ceiling that should be extended. But for now, I'm not gonna worry about that little gap over there. This is a little thing that you should fix with masking region. But anyway, there you have it. Thank you for listening, and let's hope that the factory is gonna fix this sooner or later. Although it's been a very old problem, very time consuming, because even for these little simple elevations you need to go in and do a lot of editing, which should be automatic. But thank you again. See you later.